So fans across Jamaica are all excited today after the long-awaited and anticipated release of the Gargamel, Mark Myrie, better known as Buju Banton. So just yesterday on December 7th, we noticed this video surfaced on social media of Buju being placed on an airplane and being shipped off to Jamaica. After the video surfaced, fans, friends and news reporters all gathered at the Norman Manley Airport just to get a glimpse or take a little picture of the Gargamel.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Yes, sir. Anyway, you come tonight, I'm out there.
The crowd are going to tell me to say, you know. And him now can't get removed.
Anyway, you're the ball, you know, come on.
Stun never pull, man. They want the crowd. Just come off by plane. Stun never pull, man. That's why the place is right.
But they all waited in vain as the entertainer never exited the building. It is alleged that he was swift off through a private exit by officials and taken to the Jamaica Up Park camp for processing. A few lucky fans had the opportunity to catch up with the Gargamel while on his commute to his final destination. The excitement, you have to see for yourself.
Love you.
Now it is rumored that the entertainer has a tour lined up after his relaxation period, of course. How true that is, we don't know, but we hear rumors that there will be a show in Jamaica, Trinidad and also the Bahamas. We just have to wait and see. So viewers, subscribers, if you're happy Buju is actually free right now, comment in the comment section, talk to me, tell me what you feel, and also comment your favorite Buju song down in the comment section. Yes, I mean I say, yeah, give the artist some promotion. Comment your favorite Buju song down in the comment section and make we know. What you know? Unstoppable TV. Go and check out that video here of Buju's last performance. Big up yourself, see?
Only Rasta, every happy word. Oh, my heels and that is true. Comfort for you. Don't believe. Oh, child. Oh, child. Oh, my heels and that is true. All right. Don't believe. This because communication begin and keep on coming together. Oh, I love to see with my brothers and sisters all looking at one another. That's the way it should be, not contrary. Oh, child, free the people over hills and valleys too. All my people don't believe. Over hills and valleys too. A brother said to me, break it up. Don't believe. A brother said to me, they want you to. And I said to this brother, be strong with it. Don't let them get the better of you. Remember, I warned you. Oh, my people. Over hills and valleys too. On my way. Don't believe. I've got my heart, got my liver, got my life. Oh, I've got joy. So why must I suffer when I only want to find my bread and butter? The oppression from these oppressors still also tight, Lord God. But why must I suffer? I only want to find my bread and butter. We work hard, just like you and you and you and you and you. I know you work hard, Lord God. For whatever reason they lay the claim to achieve a meal. My brothers have to brand this steel, and they say it is all in the name of survival. Oh God, why? To achieve a meal, brothers have to brand this steel. Lord, they say it is all in the name of survival. Ooh, hey! But why must my brother be my rival? Is this the master's will? Oh, on your race to material, and you get trapped within. You've got life, you've got your heart, got your liver, you've got life, oh, you've got joy. So why must you motor? Oh, could you try and find your bread and butter? Hey, this Iowa, I chant a prayer as it is running through my head. Let my enemies get turned over, and those who on my head. Now in desolation, may you find your bread. My people, we no more be comforted. Let the blind one be led, the hungry be fed. What more you want me to say to you?
Oh, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. Unstoppable TV. I'm out.
Right now, you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable.